Would you rather be able to fly like a bird or be able to swim like a dolphin? Would you rather have a cat's agility or have a dog's loyalty? Would you rather live in the jungle with wild animals or live in the ocean with marine animals? Would you rather communicate with land animals or communicate with sea animals? Would you rather have the strength of an elephant or have the speed of a cheetah? Would you rather be as playful as a monkey or be as wise as an owl? Would you rather have the vision of an eagle or have the hearing of a bat? Would you rather like or subscribe?